The Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It lays down the framework defining the political principles, establishment, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institutions. It also provides for fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens. Adopted 26th November 1949. Came into effect 26th January 1950. Drafted by Constituent Assembly, chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Number of articles, originally 395. Presently over 470 with amendments. Parts 25. Schedules 12. Amendments 100 till later. Preamble to the Constitution of India. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Structure of the Constitution. Citizenship Part 3. Fundamental Rights of the Constitution. Part 1. Union and its territory. Part 2. Citizenship. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Part IV. Directive Principles of State Policy. Part IVA. Fundamental Duties. Part V. The Union, President, Parliament, etc. Part 6. The States. Part 7. Repealed. Part 8. Union Territories. Part 9. Panchayats. Part 9A. Municipalities. Part 9XB. Cooperative Societies. Part X. Scheduled and Tribal Areas. Part 11. Relations between the Union and the States. Part 12. Finance, Property, Contracts, and Suits. Part 13. Trade and Commerce. Part 14. Services under the Union and States. Part 14. Tribunals. Part 15. Elections. Part 16. Special provisions for certain classes. Part 17. Official languages. Part 18. Emergency provisions. Part XIX. Miscellaneous. Part XX. Amendment of the Constitution. Part XIN. Temporary, transitional, and special provisions. Part 22. Short title. Commencement. Authoritative text. Schedules in the Constitution. Honest schedule. Names of states and union territories. Twund schedule. Salaries of government officials. Third schedule. Forms of oaths. Fourth schedule. Allocation of Rajya Sabha seats. Fifth schedule. Administration of scheduled areas and tribes. Sixth schedule. Administration of tribal areas in Northeast. Seventh schedule. Union, state, and concurrent lists. Eighth schedule. Official languages. Ninth schedule. Land reforms and laws immune from judicial review. 10th schedule. Anti-defection law. 11th schedule. Panchayat powers. 12th schedule. Municipality powers.